Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you a bite-sized tutorial and it's going to be how to use the rotate tool in Illustrator to make simple patterns or even intricate geometric patterns. All you gotta do is open up Illustrator, of course, and create whatever shapes you want. I chose star, but you can choose whatever you like. And I have it laid out right over here. And then you can choose, kind of have an idea of what kind of pattern you want and the look of it, the feel of it, so you can execute it better. So grab the shapes that you want. So I'm gonna grab this little star and that star. So I want this star right here to go around this star here to create a pattern. So once you have your star selected, go ahead and go to the rotate tool right over here. Yeah, right there. And then you'll see this little red kind of bullseye kind of thing pop up. You're gonna click on the center. I'm gonna click on the center of the star because I want it to be rotating around this star. So I'm gonna click right over here. Oops, okay. Right there. So once you click on it, click and then click Alt. And then once you have that, you'll have the rotate box pop up. And this is up to you what you want to put in for the angle. This is going to determine the distance the little star is going to have from the next star. So I'm going to put in, let's put in 30. And then if you want it to duplicate, of course, make sure you press copy. Once you press on copy, go ahead and press Command D or Control D on a PC. And then this will repeat the little tiny star there. See, simple and easy, and with this you can make so many cool, interesting patterns and looks, and honestly, like, you can have so much fun with it. And I really enjoy this tool because you can create something really simple, or you can create something very intricate. You could even use this to make flowers or anything that needs something to repeat in sequence. And sometimes it's hard to kind of just do it manually. You kind of get the angle or the degree wrong. So this tool really helps a lot. And I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you enjoyed that, make sure to like and subscribe. Have a great day, guys.